with two very able-bodied facilities. Thank you so much for facilities making all this happen too. I'll be remiss if I didn't introduce Ed Levy, who is our facilities point of contact for the entire project. Thank you, Ed.
That sounds great.
This is the Hellman Gardner bell. Mr. Morris got a ring the last time we had a ceremony to show it to the family, so this is a very special bell and for a very special man. Thank you for everything you've done for NC State. We'd like to welcome anyone who'd like to come up and see the bell to do so. And of course, we'd like to, if any of you have questions about the project, ask myself or Matt or any of these folks up here. And we'll pass around some information later on how you can get involved in the project. Of course, bells.ncsu.edu is the place where all the information, the videos are. Check that out if you can. But of course, come see the bell.
Yeah. Come put your hands on it, on your smartphones, bells.ncsu.edu. I want to see it happen. Thanks for coming, everybody.
Thank you all, everyone. We appreciate it.